Hi mga bossing! Narito pa rin ako sa Bosch Global City Event 2024. Pagkatapos ko i-explore ang Power Tool Zone, I thoroughly enjoyed visiting the other areas of this incredible event. Ang Zone 1, known as the Mobility Zone, featured a remarkable showcase of high-quality automotive batteries. Here, I was impressed not only by the products on display, but also by the strong connections Bosch has built with its audience over the years. This zone also highlighted essential spare parts such as wipers and various components, which are all renowned for their excellent quality. It's clear that Bosch is committed to providing top-notch products that consumers can trust, reinforcing the brand's reputation and fostering loyalty among its customers. At sa Zone 2, ang kanilang car service. They encourage customers and spectators to participate in a wiper challenge, demonstrating how easy it is to install and uninstall the product. Ang galing, di ba? Next, I visited Zone 3, also known as the Fire Safety Systems Zone. At sa pagkakaunawa ko sa aking panayam kay Ma'am Ronnie Carr, Bosch's fire safety systems are designed to provide reliable and advanced protection for both commercial and residential spaces. With cutting-edge technology, these systems offer early detection, precise alarms, and quick response capabilities to safeguard lives and property. Bosch integrates intelligent solutions like fire detection, alarm systems, and control panels to ensure comprehensive coverage. Trusted by industries worldwide, Bosch's commitment to safety and innovation makes their fire safety systems a dependable choice for peace of mind, offering top-tier protection in even the most challenging environments.
Mag-trigger po yung fire alarm. So yung sa smoke detectors po natin, so sila po yung nag-detect kung yung smoke is really coming from through smoke or if it's just smoke coming from the cigarettes or sa steams from the kitchen. So if it's not a true smoke, so it's not coming from burning woods or burning papers or mga hindi siya totoong smoke, like smokes coming from cigarette, hindi po mag-trigger ng alarm yung fire panel po natin.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Ronnie Carr of Fire Safety Systems. At ang pinakahuling zone na pinuntahan ko and became one of my favorites was Zone 4, the Home Appliance Zone. This area featured a range of top-quality kitchen appliances, including dishwashers, cooking equipment where Chef Kevin showcased his culinary skills with a delicious cooking demo.
Crostinis with goat cheese and onion compote. So we're just gonna start, guys, here we go. So we hard boiled some of these eggs like 2 hours ago, and we made a filling with the egg yolk, some Kewpie mayo, Parmesan cheese, and furigake. We piped it back, and we're gonna put some soy pickled onions, and we're gonna pass it out.
A coffee machine, oven, and refrigerator. Each product reflected Bosch's commitment to excellent performance and quality, making this zone a true highlight of the event. At alam nyo ba mga guys, Bosch kitchen appliances are renowned for their sleek design, innovative technology, and exceptional performance. From dishwashers and ovens to refrigerators and coffee machines, Bosch products are designed to make everyday tasks easier while delivering professional-level results. Their appliances feature smart technology, energy efficiency, and user-friendly interfaces, allowing both home cooks and professionals to enjoy a seamless kitchen experience. Whether you're preparing meals, storing foods, or cleaning up, Bosch kitchen appliances ensure reliability, durability, and precision, making them a trusted choice for households around the world. As we wrap up this amazing journey through the different zones, it's clear that Bosch continues to set the standard in quality, innovation, and reliability. By choosing Bosch products, you're not just investing in tools or appliances, you're embracing the Bosch way, where excellence meets everyday life. Whether it's in your workshop, kitchen, or home, be a Bosch by making the smart choice with products built to last. And don't forget, if you want to experience all of this firsthand, visit Bosch Global City. It's the perfect place to discover Bosch's latest innovations and see how these products can elevate your day-to-day life. Be sure to attend their upcoming events and explore the different zones to experience everything Bosch has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow my Facebook page and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. See you in the next one, and remember, be a Bosch!